Hi, fourth grade. I'm Miss Ringsred,
I'm Jared.
and we're here today to teach you about washing your hands. We have a really fun experiment to try. All you need is 3 slices of regular bread, 3 individual plastic baggies, and something to mark the bags. Today I use a Sharpie. So, the way this experiment works is that you're going to test 3 slices of bread. The first slice of bread you're going to do is called a control piece. And you'll see I labeled that control with today's date. This piece is going to be untouched and will show us how bread naturally molds. Then I labeled my 2 other bags, washed hands and unwashed hands with the date. So I am going to touch the bread along with Jared with our dirty hands. We've tried really hard not to wash them, and we touched different places around the house. Where did we touch?
We touched the faucets, the doorknobs, the kitchen sink sponges, and our shoes.
Yep. So our hands are nice and dirty. If you are like the rest of, or like our house, we've been doing a lot of kitchen spray, and so hopefully our counters aren't that dirty, and our hands hopefully are right now. So we are going to take out a slice of bread, and when you try this experiment at home, you are going to pass it between your family members, touching each side of the bread. So I'm going to take my dirty hands and kind of sandwich it. And you're going to do the same thing with this slice, Jared. So he's going to get his germs all over it. And then I'm going to take this piece and put it in the unwashed hands. And while I'm doing that, Jared's going to take, we show them the soap, and you're going to wash your hands as good as you can.
Okay.
In the last video, I showed fourth graders to wash your hands really good. You do the fronts, you do the insides, you do the claw.
The claw always works.
Yeah. And then we talked about the awkward turtle and how you wash the backs and tops of your hands. So we have that. And you can, oh yeah, and the pecking, yeah. Make sure to wash them really good. And then I'm going to go right after them. And we're going to do the same thing we just did with clean, unwashed, or clean washed hands. Fronts, insides. I think we talked about singing the ABCs or going for 20 seconds. And this one, I'll switch with you. And then you can dry them off on a towel. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. We want our cleanest possible hands. When you do this experiment at home, you might want to ask a mom or dad if it's okay. If you use 3 slices of bread, toss it in. And now we're going to do the exact same thing, but with clean hands. So I'm going to touch the front and the back, pass it to Jared, and do the same thing we did before. And then we're going to slip it in the bag marked clean hands. Okay. Now we have 2 slices of bread. I'm going to hang these in my kitchen in a minute. The special bag marked control is a slice of bread that I'm just going to barely touch. The reason why is I don't want to contaminate it at all. As a scientist, I'd like to look and watch how it changes over time. And this is my untouched bread. I'm going to take my 3 pieces and hang them somewhere in my kitchen out of the sunlight so I can see what happens. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Bye.
Good luck, everyone.